Okay, guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called T-Rex. It is located about 5 kilometers from the city of Buri. Not the best location if you're want to be in the city, but it's not far from the football stadium and the racetrack and stuff like that. But not much around here if you're not driving. It's not the best location. As you can see, the pool is beautiful and the garden around the hotel absolutely beautiful. In the room, it's very nice. This hotel is like brand new. I don't know how old it is. I've stayed here quite a few times over the years. Nice big rooms. Every room I've stayed in looked just like this. The bed's really comfortable. Lots of pillows, as you can see, and the bathroom as it should be. The only thing changes in the room is the picture above the bed. This room normally costs 1,200 baht a night, but if there's anything going on in Buriram, like football or racing especially, this place fills up fast and the price goes up dramatically. So it's best to plan ahead, that's for sure. It's considered 3.5 stars, which I would have expected 4, judging by the other hotels in the area. It's got a rating of 8.7 out of 10 on Agoda, which is really good, but there's only 342 reviews, which seems rather low. Like I say, this place is normally busy. No mini bar, but as you can see, lots of water and tea and coffee making supplies. I do believe there's normally only 2 bottles of water. I'm not sure what happened here. I guess I lucked out. Fridge is good, but no water in the fridge, which I think is a mistake. Awesome bathroom. Customer service here, I gave customer service 5 out of 5. Like I said, I've been here many times and always easy to deal with. It's got a safe and a rope or 2. Here's the garden at night. It really is beautiful. It really is. We'll talk about the parking. The parking here, there's only like 3 parking spots in front of the hotel. The parking lot is after the hotel. You drive just past the hotel and a guy in a golf cart will come pick you up. But it's not very far. It's only a couple minute walk anyway. There is plenty of parking here. It's just not at the hotel. Inconvenient a little bit, especially when it's raining. I got soaked one night here. I'll show you the garden in the daytime as well. And right here is the restaurant where they serve breakfast. You can even pretend you're camping. I'll get to the $1 million question. Would I stay here again? Like I said, I've stayed here many times. It's my go-to hotel in the area, that's for sure. I've never stayed in the camper though. I'll put the Agoda link in the video description if you want to check out the availability and the price on your dates. It's worth visiting if you're in the area. Breakfast used to be order off a menu, but the last time I stayed there, it was a buffet. Either way, it's been really good food every time I've eaten there. I don't know if they serve food at any other time or not. I've never eaten there at lunch or anything like that, so I don't know. I assume they do, but the food here is really, really good. Anytime that I've eaten here, and it is included in the price. Oh, that's it, guys. That is my review based on when I was there. And like I said, I've been there many times. And I highly recommend this place. Here is the garden in the daytime. It's really nice, really relaxing. If you have a room that's overlooking this side of the garden, like where I'm standing right there, that's from my room. It's beautiful. A nice place to relax. Like I say, 5 kilometers from the city might be a downside for some. If you're driving, it's better than being in the city, in my opinion. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, link to Agoda is in the video description if you want to check out the prices on your date. They do vary depending on availability, that's for sure.